NDTV conducted a poll which asked questions about what market men expect from the equity markets, and the answers, as expected, are not all good.
Topsy-turvy Tuesday after Black Monday, uncertain and largely trendless. The Sensex ending the session over 330 points off the day high at 14,833. With everyone throwing up their hands in despair, NDTV tries to assess the market mood on the street. A poll of 10 leading brokerages. We get you a sample of responses. The first two questions are simple and the hardest. When will the market stop falling? An overwhelming 70% say there is 10% more downside before the market makes a bottom. The second question was equally important, and the answer was this. 55% of those polled believe that the market can stay at current levels for 3 months or more.
It's just absence of buying. I don't think the valuations are already very lucrative and mouth-watering. And I suspect if you take even just a one-year view now, you probably could see this market retesting its previous highs. It's not inconceivable.
The basic problem with the current market situation, according to many, seems to be investor apathy. No one wanting to buy. So that was our third question. Will you buy at current levels? A majority, 65% of those polled, said an emphatic no. And finally, a more near-term question. Will the market see a big rebound if the Fed has positive surprises on the rate front? An overwhelming majority say rate cuts are more of the same thing and will not really help.
I think the Fed has fully recognized that this is no longer an issue of let's cut the rates 50 basis points or even 100 basis points. It's necessary to cut the rates, but it is much more important to get stability, financial stability, and if you will, confidence in the financial system.
A famous investor once said, sell when people are greedy, buy when people are fearful. Should one do that, or should one just follow the herd, who seem to be quite cautious, to put it mildly? Whatever happens next, if history is any guide, one thing is for sure. The market will test everyone's patience to the hilt. In New Delhi, Prashant Nair, NDTV.